Just walk me through the significance or lack thereof of a window that's not meant to be broken, breaking on stage at the unveiling of this.
Yeah, I view it as a black eye event for Musk and Tesla because these launch events are key in terms of the drum roll of excitement, and obviously with the Mad Max Blade Runner vehicle, they were going for the wow factor. And that event last night was definitely not what they were hoping for. And look, and I think it fundamentally comes down to, is this a niche vehicle or massive demand? And I think it's more the former, and I think that's where the street's disappointed.
Dan, I know nothing about car design. What it made me think of was just 1985 and asking a 10-year-old to pick a car, draw one, and tell you what the cars are going to look like in 2020. And I imagine they would come up with something that looks like this. As you point out, Dan, the mass market appeal here, pretty limited. Why is the stock down so much this morning off the back of something like this?
The stock's down because investors wanted to see more of a mass market going after the pickup truck market. If you think about it, it's 3 million vehicles sold in the U.S. Obviously, F-140 about 1 million, GM huge. The goal is, can they get 200,000-300,000 per year type of unit? And when you look at this vehicle, we're looking much closer to probably 75K to 100 max. To hit a 150 would be, a significant sort of upward hurdle. So I think that's the issue, is that investors want to see a much more mass type of car. Instead, of what you're seeing is one where it's great to pull up to a party in the car, not something that's going to be a mass appeal.
And the guidance for production, something around 2021. And as someone emailed me this morning, you've got to Musk adjust the production target, and maybe it's well beyond that as well, Dan. Looking at the name, though, what a year it's had year to date. Just looking at that move off the June low. Just a wow move. That stock has doubled off the June low, Dan. What is driving things at the moment?
Well, that was an Armageddon sort of view back then, and I think that was overdone, as we talked about back then, in terms of the bankruptcy and some other issues that was the conspiracy theories we're talking about. But it's bound significantly on profitability and demand. I do think that it's overdone here unless they could prove it over the next 3 to 4 quarters. That's why this is a stock that's either 2 or 250 or 450 in the next 6 to 12 months. We think it's probably closer to 250, and I think right now it's a prove me period. It comes down to Europe demand, U.S., and profitability. That's going to be the focus.